Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharat Chandra. The much awaited result of HDFC Bank is now out in the market. Everybody must be expecting it, everybody must be looking forward to it because in my opinion, large number of our students and channel members have HDFC Bank in one of their portfolio stocks. And coming to the yearly financials, March 2019, total income 1,24,107 crores, net profit 22,446 crores. March 2020, 1,47,068 crores, net profit 27,296 crores. March 2021, 1,55,885 crores, net profit 31,857 crores. If I talk about year to year, you may not get correct opinion, correct idea about the profitability of HDFC. That's why we have done some research to get the quarter profits and losses. Quarter 1, that is April to June 2020, total income 36,698 crores, net profit 6,940 crores. Quarter 2, 38,438 income, 7,711 crore, net profit. Quarter 3, 39,838, net profit 8,760 crores. Quarter 4, 40,909 crores, net profit 8,187 crores. Coming to some other parameters, net profit, if you compare the last quarters, that is January to March 2020, 6,928 crores, and January to March 2021, during Corona times, 8,187 crores and positive by 18%, means up by 18%. Net NPA last year, same quarter, 0.4%. This year also 0.4%. Some other parameters of HDFC Bank to compare year ending March 2020, year ending March 2021. Total deposits last year 11,47,944 crores, and this year 13,35,060 crores. In spite of Corona, the total deposits have improved. Total advances 9,93,717 crores last year. This year 11,32,837 crores. That is loans. Branches last year 5,254. This year up 5,608. ATMs 14,901. This year 16,087. Net NPA last year 0.36%. This year gone up slightly, 0.40%. Coming to the observations, good performance by HDFC Bank considering the COVID situation. Compared to quarter 4 of last year, net profit has gone up by 18%, but compared to quarter 3 of this year, net profit has fallen by 6%. All banks are likely to report slightly weaker results in Q4 since the economic situation is not very good and the banks are finding it difficult to recover loans. We need to see how the other banks perform, since if the market leader's performance is slightly dull in March 2021 quarter, then other banks may face more difficulty. HDFC Bank share price has fallen by around 8% since March 30. Maybe the market was anticipating a difficult quarter for HDFC Bank and also the entire banking sector. That is why the bank Nifty is also suffering. We have to see how the investors react to the quarterly results on Monday. Suppose HDFC Bank goes up, that means the markets are happy with the results. The HDFC Bank comes down or stays stable, that means market was expecting and the results are at par with the expectation of the market. 52 weeks high, HDFC Bank 1641. 52 weeks low, 826. Current price 1428. And from the investor's point of view, 1 year returns 62%, 5 year returns 21.35% CAGR, 21 years return 23.09% CAGR. Today, we are asking all our viewers and Dr. Bharat Chandra graduates a question. You have to type either A or B or C or D. And the question is, which is your choice for investing in the banking sector? A, Kotak Mahindra Bank. If your answer is B, HDFC Bank. If your answer is C, means IDFC First Bank. If the answer is ICICI Bank, type D. Please make sure that you type compulsorily. I will get an idea about this survey I've been doing. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharat Chandra channel, this is the time to press the subscribe button, bell icon. If the video is good, press the like button and type compulsorily A or B or C or D and send this video to all your friends. In my opinion, all over the country, people are having few shares of HDFC Bank in every family. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.